Making waves online. Understanding its impact. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have heard buzzing around the internet: making waves online. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can help you grasp the nuances of English communication, especially in digital contexts. Let's dive in and discover what it truly means to make waves in the virtual world. Making waves originally comes from the physical action of creating ripples or waves in water. Imagine throwing a stone into a still pond and watching the ripples expand outward. In a metaphorical sense, when someone is making waves, they are causing a significant impact or stirring up attention. Now, when we add online to the phrase, it narrows the context to the digital world. Think social media, blogs, forums, and news sites. To better understand the phrase, let's look at some examples. A viral video that spreads across social media platforms, sparking discussions and reactions. An influential blogger who publishes a groundbreaking article, challenging conventional views. A social media campaign that raises awareness about an important issue, leading to widespread public support. In each case, the common thread is the creation of significant impact or stimulating conversation within the online community. Understanding the concept of making waves online is crucial for several reasons. It highlights the power of digital platforms to amplify voices and ideas. It showcases the importance of content that resonates with people, capable of sparking change or discussion. It offers insight into how trends and movements can start and spread in our interconnected world. By recognizing and analyzing instances of making waves online, you can become more adept at navigating the digital landscape and appreciating the dynamics of online communication. And there we have it, a closer look at what it means to make waves online. This phrase captures the essence of creating impact and sparking discussion in the digital age. Whether you're a content creator, a social media enthusiast, or just someone curious about digital trends, understanding this expression can enrich your comprehension of online interactions. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll keep making waves in your own learning journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.